What's happening? This is Dan. I'm from Michigan and I help people earn an extra income online with digital marketing. I'm going to show you how you can start your own automated business in less than a day and work from home, just working just 2 hours a day around your schedule, and how you can earn $900 daily pay working just 2 hours a day around your schedule and have your own fully automated business set up in less than a day, so you can start promoting that business and earn $900 a day without even having to work at a job, without having to answer to a boss. Okay. So you can quit that 9 to 5 lifestyle and just start your new millionaire routine, working just 2 hours a day around your schedule so you can earn $900 a day or more. So let me break down what this is. I'm going to show you behind the scenes, our community. I'm going to show you how to set up your business real fast. I'm going to show you what we teach inside of our program, all the things that you're going to be learning. Okay. So back in 2021, guys, what happened was my company cut my pay basically in half, and I was forced to figure out ways to earn extra income. So I went online to figure out ways to do that, and I struggled for a long time until I found this blueprint. Okay, inside of this blueprint, we show you step by step how to earn $900 a day or more, simply promoting digital products for 100% profit. So let me show you how it works. Okay. So $900 a daily pay. Just go to my website, go to wealthwithdan.com. And the first step is, guys, you want to promote a product for 100% profit. I promote 4 done for you digital products so you can earn $100, $300, $600, and $900 a day promoting these digital products. And you can do this too. And you want to promote something that is in high demand. So the products that we promote are in high demand inside of the e-learning industry, which is a $1 billion a day industry. Okay. So once you have your products, next thing you need to do, guys, you need to automate your business, because you want to make money while you're sleeping or doing the things that you love, right? Right? That's what you want, right? You want to make money while you're sleeping. It's so fun. Okay. So with an automated business, you can do that. So how does it work? People are going to go to your website and they're going to go to this capture page. They're going to put their email inside of this capture page. Okay. So you're going to be building your email list. That's what I've been learning inside of this program, guys. So I was a beginner. Like I was a beginner, and I started this blueprint. I started this program last April, basically. Okay. So I've been learning these skills. And what I've been learning is how to promote products for 100% profit. I've been learning how to automate my business, how to build my email list and attract daily paying customers to me, just using social media, creating 3 pieces of content a day on social media. Okay. So automate your business for time freedom so you can make money while you're sleeping. People go here, they go to your capture page, they're going to put the email inside. So you're building your email list. Then they'll go to the next step. This is a funnel, guys. We give you this free automated business. We give you this for free. Okay. We give you this whole system for free, and you can set it up in less than a day. So then they're going to go to this thank you page and they're going to watch a video and get more information, because people generally don't buy until they have enough information. They like what they see. If they're ready to buy, they're going to go to your website and they'll make a purchase from your website. And as soon as they make a purchase, you get paid instantly 100% profit. If they're not ready to buy, they're going to get emails sent out to them daily following up with people for you, because the fortune is in the follow up. People don't usually purchase something until they've been exposed to it like 7 or 10 times. Okay. So this automated business is always out there working for you, and it's doing all the communication for you, and it's closing sales for you. What I love about this is the fact that I don't have to message people. I don't have to call people. I don't have to cold message people. I don't talk to people, and I'm still able to make money. I was able to earn $3,700 in 3 days without talking to anybody because of my automated system. So after that is set up, you just need a way for people to discover your business. Okay, that's marketing. We teach you attraction marketing. So you have to promote your business following our strategies, guys. We have a 2-hour workday. It teaches you how to get your income earning activities finished in just 2 hours a day or less. So what does that mean? What do? Create 3 pieces of content a day that you post to social media to attract daily paying customers to you. Okay, we're going to teach you how to create amazing content. So you're going to stop the scroll. You're going to relate to the person who's watching your video, and then you're going to have a CTA at the end where you just have a call to action. So at the end of my videos, guys, I usually say, if you want to learn more, comment ready. I would love to share this with you. I say something like that. So they comment ready. And every time someone comments, I say, please visit my website, wealthwithdan.com, for more information. And every time they comment ready, they're pushing my content out more into the social media world. Okay. That's how the algorithms work. If they see that people are commenting on your posts, they're going to push your post out even more. So that's why we do that. That's why we have the CTA. So 2-hour workday, guys, 30 minutes. You create 3 pieces of content that you can go live for at least 30 minutes. Why do you want to go live, guys? Because if you're going live, you're going to grow your following. Plus, people can relate to you. They can ask you questions, and you can get instant sales, guys, while you're live. And it also just helps you get good with your message. Okay, because people are going to buy from you if they like your message. And we teach you how to craft your perfect message too inside of our program. Okay, and the next thing you can do, so 30 minutes creating 3 pieces of content, 30 minutes going live, and then you can also post free ads on high traffic websites, okay? So we have like 200 high traffic websites where you can go and post free ads. Just copy, paste, and post. People are going to find your ad. They're going to click on your website. They're going to go here. They're going to put their email in, and they can purchase from you at any time, okay? That's how it works, guys. This is the discovery method, okay? And I prefer, like, I know that most of the top earners, what they focus on is creating content and going live, content creation, going live. So I focus most of my time on that, guys. But if you don't want to show your face, then you can do then you can post free ads, or you can do faceless content. We also have faceless content strategies, okay? So you can post 3 pieces of faceless content a day on social media. So that's how it works, guys. This is how you can earn $900 daily pay, promote a product for 100% profit, and I promote done for you digital products. So you can do that too. It's called master resale rights. You purchase a program one time and you can resell it over and over again for 100% profit. Step 2, automate your business so you can make money while you're sleeping. Step 3, you need people to discover your business. So you follow our 2-hour workday to promote your business, create 3 pieces of content a day, go live, and post free ads. Okay, if you want to know more, just go to my website, wealthwithdan.com, and all the information is there. Just put your email in. I'm going to send you out the blueprint, the 6-figure blueprint, so you can learn. You can follow the blueprint. It's going to show you what you need to do every day to earn $900 a day. And then there's also some videos you can watch. If you see an opportunity, just get started. If you have any questions, just respond to my emails, okay? Or drop a question in the comments. Okay, now that you understand how it works, I'm going to show you a little bit behind the scenes how to get your automated business set up, okay? And then some other stuff I'm going to show you. I'm going to take you around inside of the community. All right, so let me show you this first. Let me show you. Once you get started, guys, once you get started, there's 2 things you need to purchase, by the way. There's 2 things you need to purchase. So if you want to get started with this program, there's 2 things you have to purchase. You have to purchase one of the programs, okay? You purchase one of the programs, so there's 100, 300, 600, or 900. Purchase one of the programs, and then you purchase your website for $29. After you purchase that website, you get instant access to the program, okay? There's 0 monthly fees, so you can build a 6 or 7-figure business online with 0 monthly fees, okay? Just following our strategies. So just go to my website, go to wealthwithdan.com, and you can learn more there. Right now, let me show you. So once you purchase one of the programs, you're going to get instant access. So what do you need to do first? You need to set up your automated system. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So let me share my screen. So look, you have instant access to one of the programs. And the programs, guys, inside of these programs, we show you everything you need to know to build a successful online business. And you can resell these programs over and over again and earn 100% profit. So it shows you get started. You can watch that. And then what you want to do is you want to automate your business. Okay, so we're going to show you how to set up your automated system. You just follow the steps, guys. Edit your pre-built system, connect your gateways, edit it. Okay, it's going to show you step by step how to set it up. And once it's ready, once it's set up, you just need to test it. So we show you how to test your system to make sure it's working properly. Okay. And by the way, if you don't want to deal with setting it up, maybe you just don't like to do, you don't want to deal with it, you can just go to Tech Done. You can go up here, Tech Done for You services, and they'll set up everything for you. So you don't even have to worry about it. Okay. All right. And then after you set up your automated system, then you just go here, and it's a launch kit for your online business. Okay. So you can watch this video, Winning Mindset, to help you with your mindset. Then watch the 2-hour workday video. It shows you how to get your income earning activities finished in 2 hours a day. Then watch the launch to profit video. It shows you how to launch your business and go into profit in 7 days. Okay. And after that, let me show you inside the community. Okay. You can go here, access the community. And here it just shows you, see, look, here's the wins people are having. Our community of digital growth community, we have 38,000 members. And growing, guys. People join our community every day. People purchase a program and they join our community literally every day. So that's how you know our program works. So Christy, look, what did I do to earn 13,000? She earned 13,500 in her first 31 days, guys. I did exactly what God led me to do, and it is working. Yes. Okay. What else? Let's see. $10,000 while on holiday, guys. She was on holiday. Christelle made $10,000 while on holiday. She made $200. Kim. Okay. What I made in 4 hours is what it took me 80 hours working 9 to 5. Okay. So 2 days ago, he reached a milestone of $10,000. 24 hours later, I made an additional 1,200. You guys, committed, consistency, and being coachable are the 3 C's. Nice. Okay. So people just share these wins, guys. You can see he made $1,000 already. He says, is that good? And then look at everyone comment. They say, yes, that's great. Nice job, Joseph. See, everyone's supporting each other, okay? So everyone's going to love on you inside of this community. Let me drop a quick congrats. Congrats. Okay, I just commented congrats. And also inside of our community, guys, right now we're showing you how, ooh, we're going on a cruise. I'm going on a cruise inside, you guys, we're going on a cruise, okay? If you join now, we're having a cruise in 20 days. You can jump on the cruise too. And also right now so inside of our community, guys, we have daily training from a millionaire. So a millionaire who created this program, she's made over $2 million in 2 years promoting digital products like this, guys. So every day she gives us a training and an action step, which is going to help you with your business and help you with your mindset. Every day there's a training and an action step. Right now, guys, she's teaching us how to grow our YouTube channel to over 100,000 followers, okay? That's what she's doing in the next 30 days. We're working on building our YouTube channel, which is amazing. So this is going to be another source of income, okay? She's going to show us how to monetize our YouTube channel, guys. So we'll have another source of income on top of just promoting these digital products. How cool is that? So that's the kind of stuff we're learning, guys. And then every week we have different live mentorings. Okay. So if you're having problems with your website, we have tech support calls. And today we're going to have a millionaire mentoring. My blueprint, how I went from 0 to my first million in 17 months. That's what she's talking about today, guys. We're going to learn that, how she went from 0 to her first million in 17 months. So she's going to help us make our first million as well. Every week we have millionaire mentoring. It's live, it's interactive, and so you can ask questions. Okay, that's it, guys. And once you get your automated business set up, it's going to look something like this. Okay, it's going to look like this. This is my automated business. So we're going to give you something that looks like this, but the picture is going to be different. It's not going to be me, of course. So I just put my picture in just to make it a little more fun. But someone's going to go here. They're going to put their email in. And this is a capture page, guys. Okay, so this is the same. These pages are working for us 24/7, so you can make money while you're sleeping. So after they put their email in, they're going to go to the next page. It's a thank you page. Okay, they're going to watch this video. They're going to get more information. And if they're ready, it's going to say, yes, I'm ready to have a successful online business. They're going to click there and they're going to go to this page, which is the website. Okay, so you get to use these pages, guys. These pages are working for us 24/7. This is the automated business that you get. This is how we make money while we're sleeping. Learn the 900 daily pay blueprint. It shows you how. Follow the simple 3-step system to start making 100% profits. As you can see, this is what the website looks like. You just have to change the pictures, put your pictures in. We show you how to set everything up. A step-by-step program to learn how to make $900 passive daily pay by following a 2-hour workday. So if you go to my website, wealthwithdan.com, you can check it out and see what it looks like. And then it shows you what's inside each of the programs, how to automate your business, how to post free ads on the internet, how to grow a following on social media, how to make 100% profit from other people's products, finding your ideal customer, mastering storytelling, building a brand, attracting customers, 6 figures in 6 months, build a recurring income stream. As you can see, how to create your own product. So you can read what's inside each of the programs, guys, what you can learn. So remember, you get to learn from these programs and you can resell these programs for 100% profit too. And then people get all these bonuses you can see there. And then what's going to happen, someone will go and they'll purchase one of the products, either the 900, and we also have payment plans in America, either the 900, the 600, the 300, or 100. And as soon as they purchase one of the programs, you get paid instantly 100% profit. So that's how the automated business works for you guys. And then once you get that set up, you just have to do simple things like post free ads. So if you go to this website, here's a website you can go, guys. You can post a free ad here. Look, I can go anywhere. I can choose whichever country I want to go, and I can post a free ad anywhere. I'll go to the United States. I'll pick Alabama, Auburn, make money, work from home jobs. I can post an ad, just copy and paste and post, guys. It's really simple. Copy, paste, post. Okay. So if I go to my Google Docs, guys, I already have some content. I already have some copy that's ready to go. And we give you training for all of this. So, right, I'm just going to copy this real quick, a quick copy. Then I'm going to go here. Then I'm just going to paste the ad, a quick paste, quick copy and paste. And then I can do incentives. I'll say this, earn $900 a day, work 2 hours a day. I'll go here. I'll pick a picture. Let me get a picture. Let's see, where's one? I got a folder for pics. Yeah, posting ad pics. I'll just pick this, the 6-figure blueprint. I got my picture there, and that's it, guys. And then I just post it, and I click, and I just posted a free ad. Now somebody can find this ad. They can click on my website. They put their email in. They're part of my automated business. They can buy from me anytime. Okay, then look, then I create 3 pieces of content a day, guys. Okay, so I'll create my content, and I'll post it to TikTok. As you can see, this is my TikTok official Dan Bellin. I go live daily. People can go here. They can click on my link. They'll put in their email. They can buy from me at any time. So we teach you how to create 3 pieces of content a day, guys. So look, this piece of content that I created, guys, it went viral. I have over 270,000 views. So I just created my content. What is the best online job for earning extra money? Let me tell you, okay, my name is Dan and I help people start a successful online business and earn extra income online. Okay, so according to Forbes, so you can see I create 3 videos a day, guys, and then I go live. That's it. That's all you need to do. Create videos like this. You can do talking videos or you can do faceless videos. You create 3 videos, you post it, then just go live. Okay, once you have if you create a new business account on TikTok, you can just create content every day. You'll start to grow your following. Once you can go live, when you have 400 or 500 followers, you can go live, then you can promote your business like that. Okay, so that's it. Create 3 pieces of content, go live, post free ads. That's all you need to do, guys. And that's about it. So yeah, this is the most beginner-friendly way to make money online, to make significant income, like real money. So if you want to know more, just go to my website, go to wealthwithdan.com, go there, purchase one of the programs. Once you purchase the program, then purchase your website for $29. Okay, you just have to purchase one of these, guys. It's a one-time investment, and if you want to upgrade, you can always upgrade later. So if you start with 100, you can upgrade to the 900 later. You want to be at this level, the legacy builder, because that way you can earn $900 commissions, and then you get 4 income streams, and you get access to the weekly millionaire mentoring calls. Okay, so then purchase the program, purchase the website, $29, you're ready to go. And then just get everything set up and start promoting your business. So just go to wealthwithdan.com, go there and put in your email. I'm going to send you the blueprint. And if you like what you see, watch the videos. If you like what you see, check out the website, watch the videos, read the blueprint, then just get started. You get instant access to everything. And then just follow the steps inside of the program. If you have any questions, just reach out to me or people inside of the community because we're here to help you become successful. All the best. I will see you on the next one.